Anybody telling you that Rivers State is not part of Biafra, that person is lying to you. The Rivers State people don't come outside, come talk. As that one they happen for inside this particular side now, they say that one community don't tell Hausa boys where they will farm for their land. In the process, that they buy the people where they farm for. They say make them come out for their land though. Things they go on as this one now they shele for inside this side. They say that some part of Ibanke people where they inside Edo State don't talk say they will do anything to make sure they unite with their Igbo brothers. Share this video. Welcome back to News Info, where we bring you updates back to back. We go quickly go inside, go they bring this information for you, may they watch them. The first one we will show you right now, waiting they go on for inside Rivers State. Listen very careful, and here we are the capital na in Nyambidi, even self na be river, na be Biafra himself. But people they say Rivers State. Now some people where government don't give money for there, and then they talk say Rivers no be Biafra. Hear from the horses mouth.
Biafra land.
Bitagwa, River State.
River State.
Bitagwa na Biafra land now. You don't know, but you know where this Biafra migrated from. Originally, you know where I'm from. You know where.
Imo State.
No, don't say so. Now. You don't know. If you don't know, ask they tell you.
Oh, yeah,
you get bite of Biafra. Yeah. Bite of Biafra come from Bayelsa State. You don't hear about bite of Biafra before.
No, I'm hearing it for the first time.
Ask you. Go back to your drawing board.
So history.
Go back. They will tell you bite of Biafra. So Nadia we derive the name. We don't derive the name from any Igbo land or Igbo speaking countries, states.
But most of people can attribute Biafra to Igbos. They are the people agitating for the separation.
Is Akwa Ibom Igbo?
No.
Cross River is there Igbo?
No.
Some part of Delta State, when they speak Igbo, are they Igbos?
No. And they do.
And they do. Bayelsa State, they are not Igbos, they are Biafra.
Delta was initially Bendel.
Not all of them now. You say Asaba man na Bendel man.
They are Bendel now. They might
Asaba.
From Edo State now.
Asaba, I mean Asaba.
Yes.
You know, so we get Delta Igbo there. No, those people will not be. And like you say from Edo.
Yeah.
Who forget Biafra, we go pity you. We'll collect some of honor. Any person, any state, any tribe where they wear like two wrapper, where they tie two wrapper.
Yeah, they are Biafra.
They are Biafrans.
So Yoruba too, they wear two wrapper?
Hey, we don't see Yoruba person wear two wrapper before. Where you don't see happen.
So is it Biafra that is now the solution to the problem?
To this, even the whole world. Back with the gods give us Biafra. Immediately we get Biafra, we don't go. Everything done good.
Everything good. So, but Nigeria no good now.
Try this one that way. La question they ask me.
Yeah.
This one a question.
Yes.
I know. You know go see where bed they from eat. They ask questions. Say which mouth where the bed they from eat. Therefore Nigeria don't scatter. Nigeria, you know, say don't scatter. They don't scatter Nigeria finish. Nigeria don't expire. I be the wahala where they did.
All right. Why Biafra?
Huh?
Why Biafra?
So why Biafra?
Why you say na Biafra?
Nigeria don't scatter. Nigeria don't die.
You don't believe so now we they follow
our leaders will rule us. Now they scatter Nigeria. I think Nigeria don't die for their hand. During the time of Obasanjo, no they like this. Do that good luck, no they like this. Count out the everyone hand, Nigeria scatter.
Nigeria don't scatter. So now
people a bag of rice now 70,000. The poor man will chop rice again. This Gary how much? Maggi sugar 250 naira. Sugar. What am they drinking tea again?
But the thing I want to let you know, say last few weeks now, people they buy dollar very high. Dollar, people are crying dollar 2,000, $1.9, $1.7. Now dollar is 1,200 now.
Is it better now?
But no, don't you think we are a problem to ourselves because the dollar has come down, but the price of commodities and services in the market is still going up.
During Obasanjo regime, they like this. The good regime, they like this. Why are you taking that coin in the higher now? Those people what they rule. Huh? I don't know about these people they are now. Huh? See, now big eye. Now I get the Nigerian money and I go abroad get abroad. Poor there will suffer.
So what you go do to hold them accountable, sir? What you say we feed do to hold our leaders accountable?
Make the challenge and to try. Everybody go.
May they share this content.
Why?
You follow.
Why?
You support.
Yes.
Biafra to go.
Yes.
What will you say of
Okay, my wonderful people, shebi you don hear am for waiting this our people they talk for inside Rivers State. As this one they happen, let's jump into this one. May I show you waiting they go on for inside Igbo right now. Watch this video.
This is our Wike vigilante chasing out the outside people in our community. We say we don't need them anymore because they have finished our people. We thought they are the ones helping us to do our farm work, but they are no longer helping us. They take our people to the farm, they kill them, they rape the women, and they do other things. So we don't need them again in our community.
We not go one man and they come here again. But after they talk, all of them go follow like this. We go follow. We go tell the one that go follow. Yeah. After they talk now, one that they go like this. All of them bye line. Oh yeah, one that they go like this.
And they who know this one, and I see I'm wearing who chairman come and get Suni and Lam of the ton.
Yeah, Babajale Suni, one of my members over 6 days ago when they kidnapped. Now yesterday we had the killer for bush. I'm the one who's talking to them. And this issue, I reported to Wike police station, no response. I reported area command, no response. The area command order the.
Okay, my wonderful people, try to share that video where you just watch. May other people they follow up, they know wetin dey happen for inside the area. Let's also watch this particular video where I go play for you right now. May you still know wetin the Ibanke people don't talk come aside.
Aham Azoka Oka Etumudon, only Ibanke in Edo State, Oyon local government. Well, unify Igbo, we all want to come together and unify Igbo. My sister is here, my brother is here. From a banker. They marginalize us and split us for different states. If you go to like in Edo State, Ekpon, they speak Igbo. Ekpon. Okay. Ndi Ekpon was a banker. Ndi Ogada aso a banker. And asusu who can lecha laso. Iru kwana, iru leke Asabawan, Yahusome, Ndelasu Some, Alihu. The same language, Kenyin de Igbo lecha, Aso. Dodo ni hen larione, Ahonselene, only banke, always in half Igbo call. Because that will be some people, their mind will not be at rest. Say, how will you call me half Igbo? Because some people will say, this one is not real Igbo, this one is fake Igbo. I'm pleading this medium for everybody to please, when you see a banker man, recognize him as a full Igbo person.